Yes, Shravan, did you go through chapter 4 and 5?
Hello,
Yes, Shravan.
am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, I need to study fourth chapter. I was gone through fifth chapter yesterday.
Hmm.
Uh, so I feel that we need some, ma'am. This is, I think, this is related about microprocessor and all.
Hmm.
So we need to go to some system applications to understand better. Uh, Ma'am, we are getting confused because over and over it is stating that about registers, no, ma'am. AC, program counter, and how instruction cycles goes through. With flowchart we can understand a little bit, but if we go through some system application, we see it practically, then we'll understand better. So that is my feeling, ma'am.
Did you attend all my classes?
No, ma'am. I have to work from home. That's why I'm unable to attend. Whenever I'm getting time, I attended one of your class.
Then it's
So
difficult to understand.
yeah, that's what I feel, ma'am. But I am trying to understand these things, ma'am. If I have any doubt, I'll let you know, and I'll clarify from you, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so Saturday is off for you?
Yeah, Saturday is off, ma'am.
Hmm. Yasmin, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Did you go through?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm unable to hear anything, ma'am.
Because I'm not saying anything.
I thought something is going on. Something is ticking
No,
behind.
no,
So
no,
I,
no.
yeah, it's
No.
okay.
It's like Shravan.
Yeah, ma'am.
I really don't understand why others are not joining. Because this is a doubt clarification session and only 10 minutes are required to complete that exam, no?
I don't know, ma'am.
Is it?
I'll inform them, ma'am,
Yeah,
once
you
I.
please ask them to come to session so
Yeah,
that one by one we can complete at least few things.
okay, ma'am. Sorry,
Hmm?
I'll let them.
Inform them.
Ma'am, I can't hear anything, ma'am.
Who is this? Nandini? Hello? Yes, Yasmin, Saraswati, Nandini,
Ma'am,
Shravan.
I cannot hear anything, ma'am, or I cannot even see the screen.
Screen also I'm not showing. I'm not speaking also. Now have started speaking. Now can you hear me? Can you
Yes,
hear
ma'am.
me? Okay. Tell me, do you have any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am.
Do you want to discuss the question paper? Do you want to discuss any topic from chapter 4 or 5? Do
Ma'am, I
you
didn't know this SKI, ma'am.
SKI?
Yes,
Skip
ma'am.
on input flag.
Input flags.
On input.
Yes.
SKI. SK means skip. I
Skip
means input flag. SKO means skip on output.
output.
Okay.
That is these two are IO instructions. Total 6 IO instructions are there, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So these two are also there in that.
Okay.
Okay, tell me anyone else would like to say anything? Any doubt in yesterday's class? Microprogrammed control. Is conducting this quiz helpful?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it helpful?
Ma'am, we'll come to know what is. Sorry, this is Shravan.
Yeah,
Yeah, we'll
sure.
come to know what actually we need to read by this. But this quiz, when we conduct in this Google things, it is a case sensitive, ma'am. What I understood by my exam. So
Yes,
uh, we feel that something we are giving is wrong, but actually it is right because it is case sensitive. That's why it is not picking. It is picking exact answer which the
I
conductor
have.
has been giving. Yeah, yeah. That
Yeah,
is
I
the one
have
thing.
specified.
And if we have written test, then it will be easy to understand because we have many diagrams in this, so we need to draw it until and unless we need to we don't practice an exam, it will be very difficult to us. And we need to draw an exam, right, ma'am? There are many block diagrams and all, and this is a complete hardwired process which we need to understand thoroughly. What I feel when we look at the chips and processor.
You are right. 1 minute. I'll get.
Hello.
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 Chavan. Nandini.
Uh, yeah, hi, Akka, Bono.
Baunama. Baunama.
Yeah, stay safe, everyone.
Yeah, you also take care.
Yeah. So that is from my side, Nandini. Do you have anything to say?
Yeah, that's what, because I also have mentioned almost all the right answers, but
Yeah,
then showing us no points. And when I checked it, it is, for let's say for this address register, we have 12 bit, right? The size is. I
yes.
just mentioned it as 12 bits, but the
Yeah, it is
answer
not
is mentioned as 12 and
12.
it shows.
Yeah, I discussed with ma'am. So I
Mm,
stated the same thing. So ma'am said she will look into it.
yeah, I
And
also.
if better we find some other alternative to write exams, it will be okay for us.
What may
Yeah.
be the other alternative? I have, searched a lot and
No,
I could.
no,
Hmm?
no, I'm just telling as a
Yeah, no. I am taking your words in positive way. What I'm asking is because
mm,
you are from software, no? You
yeah,
can also know many apps and many websites which at this time allows students to write exams. So if you all also know anything, please let me know.
I'm like,
Uh,
I have written.
hmm?
Sorry, ma'am. Go on. Go on.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Continue. You're saying something.
So what I wanted to say is, um, conducting descriptive exam is not that easy, I feel, because
Yeah, yeah,
how will you draw the diagrams? And it should be like, then you should write at your end, and then you should create a PDF out of it and you share.
but it
That
is.
is one way. But
Uh,
then not everyone will be honest with the
yeah,
answers
yeah,
in that case, so that
yeah.
it is
Sure.
meaningless to
It
conduct
is not
in that
reliable.
manner.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
But
So
I think we can conduct MCQs like that, ma'am. So if you prepare any question paper like that, so I know because when I write exams in my office, also they create this MCQ types, and those are internal. We don't have any other apps like that.
mhm.
So they create MCQ types. So in this case, what we can do is, for suppose you have some question and answers like MCQ, select the correct point.
Mm.
So like that, if you send some questions and if you give us a 10 to 30 minutes time, whoever is completing in that particular time, we can consider them. And as a multiple choice question, it can be possible, but descriptive way, it is. I think it is not possible and not reliable as well.
Mm, mm,
That's
mm.
what I think.
Yeah, yeah.
So
From this experience, even I can say that.
yeah, yeah, man.
Unless and until you have the question and key.
Mm,
Uh,
yeah,
if you have a key, then in advance, then you can write in a similar manner. But then guessing what I have written as an answer, and then
yeah,
writing that, and then it's not easy and it's not possible.
yeah,
So
man.
MCQ is only good, but then for MCQ, to conduct MCQ, uh, mm, what I think we should do is, um, get questions, but they will be a bit high. Otherwise, students have to make from every chapter. Each student, if they make 10 questions, five students, if they make 50 questions, now it is all up to you. I don't think so. Conducting fill in the blanks or short answers is viable and
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
um, useful.
Ma'am, uh,
Hmm? Yes.
am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, you are.
Yeah,
May I know who is
ma'am.
this?
Yeah, I'm Sidhu, ma'am.
Sidhu, tell me.
Yeah, like I'm guessing in the sixth semester anyway, will do one project right at that time.
Right.
So why don't we consider the like project kind of thing for this semester because of this pandemic situation?
That the experts are discussing regarding that whether to conduct a final exam, but most probably final exams only will be conducted, because
Mm.
Sidhu, you can do, or maybe one or two students in a class can do a project. Not everyone can do. There was a panel discussion about this, but everyone can't do project on their own. The quality of education which the students have gone through for computer science during their graduation, they don't have they don't possess that many skills to do a project on their own. Do you think they possess?
Actually, ma'am, in our college only, like previously, graduation students used to do. At least they bring their like descriptive notes. In that format, at least they attempted. It was not that huge successful, but at least they have tried and they come out with the different ideas and like they have at least gathered the content for for content and their explanation and their story about their on that topic. At least for that we can give any some marks on that.
Yes, in Western countries they are doing like that only. They are dividing the marks into project, case study, and activities, group discussions, quizzes, and various other activities. But I don't know what the experts will come up with. Even UGC, they are holding meetings every day to finalize what can be done about this. And even our Usmania University experts are also on discussions. So it will be decided by them. uh, what we can do is, we can, if suggestion is asked, I can suggest that you can do in this manner. uh, being the department head. But more than that, yeah, I can't do anything. The decision will be taken by the policymakers.
But ma'am, this is Shravan.
Hmm.
But this is a good idea, ma'am. What Sidhu has suggested now, we can look into it if possible, because we cannot execute the project if we make, but at least we can attempt. People will get some knowledge about that, so we can conduct like this. If you ask when the project submitter, if you
Hmm.
ask to the project submitter, what you gain by this, by doing this, so
Hmm.
he can say something about that one. Execute, he might not be execute that, but at least he can try, right, ma'am? So
Yeah, yeah.
at least he can gain some knowledge like that. So on that basis we can do
Yeah,
some
yes,
thing.
but that I can't do. If suggestion is asked,
Yeah, that's what. Yeah,
I
we
will
understand, ma'am.
definitely forward this
Yeah.
information that from my student side and from my side,
Mm.
I can say that projects will give them some knowledge, if not complete, but partial, at least they will get to know something. So that first of all, they should come up with something. No, that's actually everything is uncertain as of now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, and one more question I have: is it mandatory to do the subject related project?
No,
Means we can pick any topic, right? Or otherwise you'll provide some topics in that only we need to choose some particular one.
your wish. It is your choice. You can choose from Python, from Java, from any domain, from even microprocessors, even IoT
Okay, the
or
subject
cloud.
related. Then what
Yeah.
you? Okay, ma'am, got it.
Mm. Anything else? Any student want to talk? Give. Can you give? Do you want to give your opinion? Okay, then I will end this class now. See you again on Monday at 11 o'clock. Okay. Bye,
Okay.
students. Have a nice weekend.